Greetings to our lecturer. We are from Group 1, Section 1. Our topic is Ergonomic Design of UTHM Chairs. I myself, ARAVIND SELVAM, and my group members are ABDIRAHMAN, AHMAD, OSMAN, BABIE, Jane, Roger, Bong, Ching, CHENG, Brian, Anna, Louise, RUMES. And as for the introduction, the study of designing equipment and products that fit the human body, its movement and cognitive abilities is known as ergonomics. Therefore, proper ergonomic design is necessary to prevent repetitive strain injuries in the body. An ergonomic chair utilized in the classroom environment should help the students to stay focused and motivated during the lectures, so that this study relates about the ergonomic design of the chair in UTHM classroom environments. As for the problem statement, according to the studies, the majority of the youngsters in the universities currently complain about back pain, many of which are substantiated by X-rays that indicate spinal degeneration. Such problems in universities are expected to deteriorate with age, generating concerns about future career and quality of life issues. Moving on to the objective of the study, mainly to investigate and evaluate the ergonomic condition of students about the study chairs in the hostels. Secondly, to identify and analyze solutions to the ergonomic problems, and to propose appropriate methods for excellent ergonomic practices. In this project, there are a few scopes of studies. Firstly, this study will focus primarily on the study chair in hostels, and this study will also focus on the study chairs in the UTHM only. Thank you.
Hi doctor and everyone, my name is BDA40703, CT1801777. So I will focus on my part which is literature review. So the first paper that we have read is Moriarty. So according to this paper, he stated that the economics is a science that focuses on the utilizing information about human capabilities in order to support in a working system that allows people to live and work in a better system, especially by reaching the desired goals through effective, efficient, safe and comfortable method. So the second paper is Al-Hinai. According to this paper, in the classroom, it is typical to find a chair that are not ergonomically constructed, resulting in a proper posture in an attempt to find a better position. This create greater physical strain, muscular back, neck and head discomfort, loss of focus and also restlessness. So according to the several studies, the majority of the physical problems in the classroom are caused by the mismatch in anthropometric dimensions of pupils of various age and dimensions, as well as inappropriate sitting positions. So the third paper that we have read, we have go through is the paper and Wilson's. So because of many students nowadays, during the COVID-19 until now, they like to use their bedroom, kitchen and living room for Zoom. Gaining control of the condition process may help many people focus on their tasks, according to this author. So the fourth is Patriarchan. From this research, the classroom chairs and desks created and developed by the furniture manufacturers are not ideal for the individual students, but they are manufactured with the anthropometric dimensions of average student in mind. Because of their various anthropometric measurements, the sort of the chairs are usually not adjustable and cannot meet the generic needs of the students. So last but not least is Al-Hinai. So according to him, the human evolution has a major impact on the adaptability of the human body to the environment and lifestyle needs. So throughout all this study, our aims for this research is to analyze the students' satisfactions in existing classroom furniture to propose the better dimensions of the classroom furniture which is economically fit. For this research purpose, the data also was collected through the posting the Google form to all the university UTHM students. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is ABDIRAHMAN Ahmed Usman. My matter number is BD190018. Today I would like to present methodologies. This study will take place at the University of Tun Hussein in Malaysia from April to June 2022. A total of 50 UTHM students participated in this research study from both male and female, and the sample size with the age of range from 18 to 25. They were taking a serious questionnaire on the classroom chair they used during lectural weekend due to the poor functionality of current classroom chair. There have been several compliments and discomforts. The concept of design and developing an ergonomic classroom chair arose from the collection of student requirements via multiple online surveys and the distribution of online questionnaire through WhatsApp. Our goal of this study was to see if there was a mismatch between students' unique bodies, professional, and the classroom chair they were currently utilizing. So we need to move on the next slide. To participate, in order to collect various anthropometric measurements, 50 students from University Tony Hussein and Malaysia UTHM were selected from this study. Existing furniture dimensional and all are also gathered to check any discrepancies with anthropometric measure. The procedure: a student survey was conducted at the start and the needs of students were determined. In order to determine their certification, the student anthropometric measurements were then taken to calculate the mismatch. The measurement of current furniture are also taken into account. Mean, maximum, minimum, and standard deviation derived from anthropometric measurement. The layout plan is made of arrangement there. Also, we have two measurements: anthropometric measurement and furniture measurement. Anthropometric measurement are used as the foundation of ergonomic measurement design. Our assembler will create a classroom furniture for this research. Unless otherwise specified, the individual is concerned to fulfill erect with all of their belonging proper support and their feet flat on the floor. So this feature shows as anthropometric measurement. Later on we will explain what does the letter stand for. So we need to move the next measurement to furniture measurement. Furniture measurement are used as a sort of classroom furniture in bench. This piece of furniture are manufactured by local furniture procedure without typical ergonomic measurement. And this figure 2 standard for shows as the furniture measurement, and this letter is standard for. I will explain what does this letter standard for. So we move the last slide. Detailed information for figures. The figure 1, as I explained before, standard for anthropometric measurement, and this letter is explained as, and this letter is standard for explain is what does this letter stand for. A stands for political height, B stands for seat height, C stands for seat height, and so on. And the figure 2 stands for furniture measurement is, and this symbol SD and so on, SW, SH, DH, and DW, DD, and so on stand for explain us as what does this symbol stand for. SD stands for seat depth, SH stands for seat width, SH stands for seat height, DH stands for depth height, and so on until you reach DD. So that's all in my part. Wish you good luck, all of you.
Hi, my name is Brian, and I'm going to explain about the result and analysis for our group project. Before we proceed to result and analysis, first we do a discussion within our group member, and then we decide to do a survey via Google Forms. Inside the Google Forms, there are 3 sections of questionnaire, and the target for our questionnaire is the UTHM student itself. Next, let's see the section 1, where the question is based on the personal information of the students. Most of the students are male and they are from Faculty of Mechanical Engineering. They are around 21 to 24 years old and currently in their 3rd years. They have healthy weight and have no health issues, and most of them are dominant right hand and occasionally use the chairs inside the UTHM. Now, let's see the section 2, where there are satisfactory questions. For these questions, most students answer very satisfied. For broad space classroom, the chair might give an impact on student performance, and the chair might give an impact on student health. And then the second one is satisfied, where the laboratories provide a workbench with a suitable height, and universities provide a user-friendly chairs for students. And lastly, the answer is neutral, where the chairs in laboratories are mostly comfortable for students. For our last sections, the question is based on the health problems of the student. Most of students answer very serious for shoulder and muscle pains, fatigue and joint pain, neck and shoulder pains, and then serious for back pain, and finally neutral for eye problem, difficulty in breathing, insomnia and headache. We also give questions where students can give their own opinions based on the question given, and most of them answer such as provide chairs that can hold the bag, buy plastic normal chairs instead of study chairs, and buy new chairs, and more. This answer can be considered as their opinion is matter in our questionnaire.
Hi, my name is CHENG. Next, we go for the discussion of the report. Firstly, majority of the respondents answer neutral for comfortable of the chairs in classroom and laboratory. Then, the height of the workbench in laboratory was satisfied by most of the students. Then, most of the students also satisfied with the chair of the student are user-friendly. Besides, students agree that back pain occurs when the chair is non-ergonomic, and strongly agree with the shoulder and muscle pain among students caused by non-ergonomic chair. Furthermore, for neck and shoulder pain among students, most of the respondents answered very serious. Next, we go for the suggestion for the improvement for the chair. Firstly, the chair must be provided with arm to support for hands and elbows. This is because armrest usually carries the weight of the arm so that the shoulders are not raised or depressed. Besides, ergonomic chair should be provided with the space for backs. If there is not enough space for the backs, their sitting position will be lesser and uncomfortable. Besides, ergonomic chair should be provided with an adjustable height to fit for different size for students. Then, chairs must be allowed to adjust the height of the chair, so the feet can flat on the floor. Then, the writing desk should be wide enough and stable, and provided with cushion material on the sitting place for additional comfort while seated.
In conclusion, the ergonomic study implemented in the university's students' classrooms is to make the study process more efficient. Moreover, the ergonomic consideration might also provide improved benefits to the students' health. Therefore, several modifications to the design structure of the study chair are required to achieve the objective of the study. Moreover, non-ergonomic chairs at the university may cause health issues such as back discomfort, exhaustion, and muscle aches. Hence, university chairs must be adjustable in height to accommodate students of various sizes. Therefore, we can conclude that this study has provided adequate methods and suggestions of improvements for excellent ergonomic practices. In a nutshell, this objective of the research has been achieved. Thank you. That's all from us.